So in this problem, what you're supposed to do is you're analyzing this chart to see kind of where the pattern breaks, right? So you're assuming that the first 2 points are the rate of change that you're looking for. So what you want to do is you want to look to see what that rate of change is. So this first one from 3 to 1, that goes down 2, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to use a rate of change of -2. Okay. So then you want to see which of these 2 points breaks that pattern. Well, from 1 to 0, that goes down 1. That's an incorrect rate of change if we want to stick with our pattern. What that makes this point right here, this 0, what that should be is actually a -1, so that it goes down 2. So I'm going to change that. And then if it goes from 1 to -3, again, that goes down 2. So now all my rates of change are -2. So if I want to go and write the equation, there's a couple of ways to do that. One way is you can use what we've learned before. You have a table of values here, and you can take those 2 points and use those 2 points to write that equation, just like we've been doing. Another thing you can do is you have the rate of change. That part's already been figured out, okay? The part that you don't have is the y-intercept. And in this example, you are actually given the y-intercept right here. Okay, remember, anytime there's an x value of 0, that's your y-intercept. So you can take those 2 pieces of information and just plug them in to write your equation. So now you have y is equal to -2x plus 1. If you decided to work through it the way that we have been in class, I'll show you that as well. We have 4 points here. You only need 2 to figure out the equation of a line. So we have -1 and 3 and 0, 1. So 3 to 1 goes down 2, and 1 to 0 goes up 1. Again, this gives us a slope of -2. Now to find the y-intercept, you have y equals mx plus b. My m is going to be -2. I'll just plug that in right there. My y value could be either of these 2 points. I'm going to go ahead, I'll use this top one right here. My y value is going to be 3, and my x value is going to be -1 plus b. -2 times -1 just gives me 2. And then if I want to solve for b, I have to get rid of 2 by using the opposite operation because it's being added. I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1, so I get a b of 1. So you'll see you get to the exact same answer. Y equals -2x plus 1. But by knowing a few things about linear functions, you can make this process a lot quicker too to write the equation.